Hey there, it's Steve.
And Courtney.
From Serious Keto, and in this video, we're going to be reviewing something that we thought we reviewed earlier. And that is the protein cookies from Chipmonk Baking. So the last time Courtney and I did a review of the cookies from Chipmonk Baking, we thought, well, I thought, that they were the protein cookies, so I misled you. Turns out they were not the protein cookies. Although that peanut butter one with 9 grams of protein, that's pretty close to a protein cookie. But I have here their actual protein cookies from MyFit Foods, which I'm assuming is maybe the LLC that's over Chipmonk.
Oh, okay.
Because you can get them both on the website.
Okay.
Before we review these, I just got to say, stick around till the end, because I've got 2 surprise announcements to make.
Cool.
You don't even know what they are, the surprise announcements. So we've got chocolate chip pecan and white chocolate macadamia. Do you have a preference for where we start?
Pecan or macadamia.
Macadamia. So in terms of nutritional information, each of these 170 calories, 11 grams of fat, 20 grams of total carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 12 grams of allulose for a net 6 grams. So really these are more of a low carb cookie than a keto cookie. I mean, that's 6 net grams. That's a big chunk of your daily carbs right here.
Yeah.
But, you know, if you can make it fit, good on you. And 11 grams of protein. So in a protein bar, what have you said in the past is sort of your threshold?
Well, like my protein bars have 20 grams.
Okay.
Usually, 11's kind of like low. Like 11's like, you probably still wouldn't have 11 grams. You'd have more than that after like working out.
Okay.
But
also those are bars, not delicious cookies.
yeah.
Assuming these are delicious.
And it uses whey protein to
Okay.
be noted.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's whey
this
protein.
has whey protein.
Whey protein.
I don't see any sketchy ingredients in here. It's almond flour, oat flour. Oh, so oat flour, that could be an issue, you know, for some folks. The whey protein isolate, milk protein. You've got the chips in here, macadamia nuts, butter, peanut butter, natural vanilla flavors, salt, cognac root, baking soda, monk fruit extract, vitamin E. Okay. And it's essentially the same for the other one. The difference is just the nuts and the type of chip that's in it. All right. You want to break it for us?
Sure. I just had a protein.
Oh, we're doing that small a bite? I'm doing a bigger bite.
Okay.
So you just had a protein what?
I had a white chocolate macadamia protein cookie the other day.
How much did it cost?
Probably like $3.
$3? Okay.
Maybe.
These are 2.5. So, good deal. Here we go.
It's not all that flavorful.
How does it compare to the one that you had the other day from a different brand?
I liked that one better, but I still didn't even like that one that much.
Yeah, this one, the flavor is a kind of mild. I'm going to be kind of biased against this particular cookie because my favorite cookie pre-keto was the Pepperidge Farm Tahoe, I believe is what it was called. Okay. That was their white chocolate macadamia cookie.
I love white chocolate macadamia.
I mean, that cookie is so good. And that was sort of where in my mind I was when I tried this. Mm-hmm. If someone gave me this as a protein bar, I would say this is a delicious protein bar.
Yeah.
But as a cookie, it wasn't quite packing enough for me. I think if the macadamia nuts maybe were a little saltier, I think that would have been good too. That might help also.
I think just such a big part in the cookie is the cookie. It's not the stuff that's inside. And that's what it seems like a lot of these, in my opinion, brands are failing to do, is because they don't have that like cookie texture, that crispness, that sweetness. And so it's just, it doesn't compare to a regular cookie.
So you think it's too much dough, not enough?
No, the dough is, the amount is fine, but the dough isn't good.
Okay, so because you're opposed to the whole chewy, soft cookie.
Yeah.
You like the crispy.
Yeah. I would just like a plain old cookie with nothing in it.
Okay.
But I don't, yeah, that's the...
So I think, one of the things that goes on with Chipmonk is they use a blend of allulose and monk fruit. They call it Allumunk. And that just, it doesn't crisp up. It's not like erythritol or xylitol, which xylitol I won't eat. That messes me up. But those two give you more of a crispy cookie. And I don't know if they're ever going to go that direction. But
Which is fine.
that aside, next up we have the chocolate chip pecan cookie. These are like, feel how heavy this is. That's dense.
It is very dense.
This is like right on the edge of
This is like heavy.
a meal.
It's like 2 pounds.
It's 1.7 ounces or 50 grams, but yeah, this has got some heft to it.
Yeah. I liked that one better. It was heavier and not so soft. It kind of reminded me more of some other baked good, like cake-ish, breadish.
Yeah, it was not as moist as the macadamia cookie.
But that's okay.
A little more dry. I really liked the pecan in there. I mean, I was chewing through chunks of pecan, and like that, I'm also getting a very nice lingering vanilla afterwards. If I were eating this with a big glass of milk, I think I would be a pretty happy camper.
Yeah, that one's good. That one's pretty satisfying.
Now again, kind of high on the carbs if you're doing keto.
Yeah.
Now the two exciting announcements that I wanted to share are, there is a flavor, my favorite flavor, in fact, of their cookie bites, that I keep trying to convince them, and even using Colton, my grandson, to try and convince them that they should make this a permanent flavor, not just a small batch, not a monthly thing, not a VIP club thing. And that is chocolate peanut butter. And as you can see now, it is in an official bag. It is one of their flavors. So I was really excited when we did that last review because I got their last 4 bags. And now I'm not as excited because now they've got infinite bags.
Well, that's a good thing.
Well, it makes me less special. But it's a good thing for all of my viewers because now you can get this flavor, which is so awesome. In fact, if I can get a video of Colton later, I got a present from David at Chipmonk, David and Jose, that actually has a little card for Colton, which is good because his birthday is coming up in just a few days.
Yeah.
So that would be a nice surprise for him. I can say, hey, Colton, look at what we've got. I tell you what, I've got a special present here for you. You want to open it? Okay. Get your fingers in there. Oh, all right. Should we read this? Whoa. Wait first. Look, this is a note. This is from David at Chipmonk. He says, I hope you and Colton enjoy. So what do we have in there? What is that? What type of cookies?
Peanut chocolate.
Peanut butter chocolate? That's right. Is that your favorite flavor? Well, here, come here. You want to eat one?
Eat?
Yeah, come on back up. What do you got?
A nut cookie.
That's right, a chipmunk cookie.
Yeah?
Here, let's look at the camera. What's your favorite cookie?
Chipmonk cookie.
That's right. What flavor?
Yeah, hot chocolate.
Okay, sounds good. Say, thank you, Chipmonk.
Okay, Chipmonk.
Now, here's another surprise that I have for all of you, which is Chipmonk and I, and by I mean totally Chipmonk, is going to give away some of these cookies to 3 lucky winners. So I'm not sure if I can get them to give like 2 bags to each winner. I'm going to try. But 3 people, I'm going to draw your names out of the comments below to win some of these cookies. So what does that mean? It means first, you need to leave a comment. Actually, first you need to be in the US or Canada. Second, leave a comment down below in the comments. Any sort of a comment. It can be, I love Chipmonk, I love Steve, I love Courtney, I love all of you guys. Something nice, generally, is pretty good. or I just want to win, leave a comment, and then 1 week from today, I will randomly choose 3 of you in the comments, and I will reply to your comment letting you know that you won and giving you instructions. That means you need to have notifications turned on. Otherwise, you won't know that you won, and bummer. So, pretty cool.
Cool beans.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
All right. I think that's it then for this video.
All right. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.